Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send dice in Monopoly Go. To get started, go ahead and open Monopoly Go on your device and sign in to your account. There is no direct way for you to send dice, but a method for you to be able to send dice to your friends is to go ahead and open your community chest in a daily basis. So go ahead and hit on that open button on your community chest. Now, those who are a part of your community chest will be able to receive a dice once they are landed on the roll to find the community chest key. So once we open this, you'll be able to get redirected into this section. So as you can see in here, each of these areas actually have the faces of your friends who are among your community chest. So once you hit on start, and this lands your friend, rewards will double for you and your friend will receive 10 dice. For each friend who has been used and landed into this area will receive a free 10 dices. Now this is both a gain for you and your friend, since this will allow you to gain more money from your community chest and your friend will receive 10 dices. And once it lands into the key, you'll be able to actually get the money that is actually accumulated for your community chest. And that is how you can simply send dices to your friends. Although there is no direct way for you to do that, you can do that by constantly and daily opening your community chest. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.